If you are often in a situation where you need to handle different tasks or projects, you might forget or lose track of what's done and what's left. Well, instead of trying to remember everything, let's build a work progress tracker in Excel that keeps you organized automatically. In today's video, I'll show you how easy it is to create a work progress tracker using checkboxes, formulas, data bars, and charts. Let's jump in. Imagine you are working on a large project with multiple phases. Each phase has several tasks, and you want a simple way to see how much of each phase is completed, how far the entire project has progressed, which phases still need attention. Here's our Excel setup. In the first column, we have the different phases of our project highlighted in bold that are further divided into subtasks. In the second column, we would like to include checkboxes to mark each task as done and the percentage completion per phase. Before we start, make sure your developer tab is enabled. If not, click on one of the tabs above, right-click, customize the ribbon, and check developer, adding checkboxes plus tracking completion. Now let's first add checkboxes for every task, and for each main phase we want to calculate the percentage of tasks completed. So basically when our checkbox is true. So let's type the following formula. Count if, select the range, and type true as criteria. This formula counts how many tasks are checked. So if 2 boxes are checked, it will show the value 2. But we want a percentage. So we divide the checkboxes that are true by the total number of tasks in that phase. Now to format it as a percentage, select the cell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus percentage on Windows or Command plus Shift plus percentage on Mac. Let's center it and copy this formula to the remaining phases. Step 1. Progress bars with conditional formatting. Let's start with the fastest method, data bars. This is perfect when you want a clean, simple way to visualize progress at a glance. Here are the steps. Select the percentage of our phase, go to Home, select Conditional Formatting, and select Data Bars. Choose Solid Fill and pick your color. Let's repeat this for each phase. And boom! As you can see, each percentage becomes a progress bar. As you click the checkboxes, the percentages and the progress bars update instantly. It's all looking good, but you might notice the following. When you uncheck a box, the percentage changes, but the progress bar might not update visually. To fix this, select column B. Go to Home, select Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules, and Edit Rule. Change the minimum to number with a value 0 and change the maximum to a number with the value 1 and click on Apply. And voila! Problem fixed. Now let's highlight the entire project phase in green when all tasks have been completed. You do this by selecting the column you want to format, which is the first column. Go to Home, select Conditional Formatting, New Rule, and select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Type the following formula. Equals, click on the tracker percentage and remove the $sign, equals 1. Now let's format it. Choose a green field and click on Apply. Now, whenever a phase hits 100%, it instantly turns green. Step 2. Bar chart progress tracker. Now, let's build a more visual version that is perfect for meetings or reports. First, highlight the rows of our main phases and their percentage complete by holding the Control key if you're on a Windows and Command key if you're on a Mac while you make the selections. Next, go to Insert, Bar Chart, select the 2D bar chart. Next, delete the horizontal axis and add data labels to each bar. The sequence of our phases is off, so let's fix this. Select the Y-axis, then right-click, Format Axis, and then click on Categories in reverse order. Now you have a clean progress chart showing exactly the status of each phase. And that's it! You now know how to build a work progress tracker in Excel using checkboxes for task tracking, formulas for automatic progress calculation, conditional formatting for clean visual progress bars, a bar chart for professional project project reporting. Whether you're managing a team project, organizing your workflow, or planning long-term goals, this tracker helps you see exactly where everything stands instantly. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of tracker or dashboard you want me to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.